Okay, so let's take a look at how you can create credit card expense tracker. So let's say you have multiple credit cards and you do some of the expenses that you want to log. You can use Notion for that. So add page, choose table as database, and then you can go to new database. Here, let's say we have default column as name. I will replace that with expense, right? So expense description, or alternatively you can also use merchant name, right? So merchant place or name, can use that, right? So let me extend this a bit. Then we have tax that we don't need. Next would be using date, so we need that to track when the expense happen. Then comes description, which is a text property, right? Then we have amount, how much we have spent. So amount is number, that too in US dollar. So amount, right? And then we have one more thing, which is selection option is category. So we can put in food, electronics, travel, mall, online expense, subscriptions, right? Others. So these are categories of, or you can say, expense type, right? Then we have final column being notes, right? If you want to maintain any note about that expense. So let's say I am spending on this merchant name Geo for recharging. Then comes description, charges, then amount is 999, expense type subscription, right? Like this we can extend. I can rename this to credit card expense tracker. Next thing would be to using, let's say, some food item. So let's say I went to Sizzlers, added February 6th for, let's say, dinner. I spent around, let's say, 499. Then it's because of, let's say, mall or some food, right? So like this I can maintain all the expenses in that month or entire year for credit card expenses. So this is the tracker I made in Notion for you to look at.